All right, guys, so now that we have our pixel and conversion API set up, what we want to do now is go ahead and prepare our ad creative and the copy for our ads before we go ahead and build that in the business manager. So when you are watching this video, you will see down here, there's a link to a spreadsheet. And inside that spreadsheet is a testing bank of some example copy, headlines, as well as creative that you can base yours off of. Now, on the left side here, there is templates for Adobe Express, which you can come in and customize and use these for your own. So you'll come in, you'll replace your logo, you'll replace the city, and you'll do that by hitting remix this design. And then you'll come in here, update it to fit your brand and your geographic location, and then go ahead and download that. So real quick, I'll show you how to do that, and we can get this going. So at the top left, you're gonna replace this logo. You're gonna just hit this replace button, and then replace with upload. So make sure you have a white version of your logo so that it fits in here. All right, let's find this one. So in this case, I do not have a white one of this, but I will assume that you do. And so in this one, should be able to remove the background. Here, it looks like it doesn't want to do that with this image, but you get the point. Put yours here, and then you'll update the city name for your city. And then once you have that, you'll update the name down here as well, and then we'll go ahead and download that into our computer, and we'll be able to use that in order to upload. All right, guys, so once we have our still graphic ready and downloaded, what we're going to do is either gather all of our personal media that we have from jobs to be used in some of these campaigns, or what we can do is go out to different garage door manufacturer websites, preferably the ones that you use, and go ahead and pull approved marketing material from them and that you can use. And the idea there is that we want to show the customer the ideal perfect end product of what that will look like at their property. So what we'll want to do is just open up a Google tab, and let's just say you're a Wayne Dalton distributor. Let's go ahead and pull up few images, ideally ones that are directly from their site, again, approved marketing material preferably, or at least not from a competitor's website. So if we just go to their website, and we can go ahead and pull some images from there. Additionally, you want to grab some images of the operators that you use or any other specific parts that you want to display. And we will get into why you're pulling all of those in the next video, where we will actually build all of this together. So last thing here before we dive into doing that is just making sure that we have ad copy. Now we have provided 5 different examples here for you, and they are just ad examples because if everyone copies these exactly as they are and run them, even if you're not in the same market, Facebook is going to ding you for that, and we're not going to get the performance that we like. But these are used to serve as a guide for you to be able to put together some ads that speak to you, to your market and your brand. But if for whatever reason you can't get the creative juices flowing to be able to write something yourself, what I'm going to do is show you a quick way to get some options that you can run. So we're going to use ChatGPT as well as some of these examples in order to generate some ad copy. All right, so we're going to come into ChatGPT. It's chat.openai.com and get logged in. So I'm using the most updated version for 4.0. If you don't have a paid account, 4 will suffice just fine. And so what we're going to do is put in a prompt, basically just telling it, it's a copywriter, what it's writing for, and then we're going to have it ask us 3 questions that it, to get more info to write the best ad copy that it can. So I'll go ahead and submit this, and this prompt will be down below here, and you can go ahead and copy that in there and use that. So it has asked us 3 questions that we'll go ahead and complete the answers to, and then we will submit that and have it actually give us some different options for ad copy. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, once you have answered those questions, go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to start spitting out some different options for your ads. So once you find one you like, you can go ahead and grab that. If you want to continue to improve it, you can go ahead and grab all of this, pop it in here and say, this is great. I like to be nice to it in case it takes over the world. This is great. However, can we make it more casual and conversational? And plug that in and continue to tweak it until you get something that you like, or go ahead and take the idea they gave you and refresh it by hand. So now we have our ad creative, we have our ad copy, and then this is giving you headlines as well for that. So we are all set. So throw this into a spreadsheet of your own, or throw it into a copy of the testing bank that you made for yourself, and get ready to hop into Facebook Meta Business Manager and start building your ad campaign to get you more book jobs and installs. We'll see you there.